Yeah, it's time to do a review video. Let's get into it. Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be talking about Maxx Mount phone holder for trucks, cars, whatever basically. So I saw these guys at the truck show. I've been seeing these things popping up at a lot of different truck stops out there, Iowa 80s and stuff like that. You know, I saw them at the Joplin truck stop on my way out here to Oklahoma City. And I was like, well, I'm gonna pick one up. We gotta see what all the hype is about. You guys know I've done reviews on phone holders in the past, and I'm a geek for gadgets. So let's see what we have here. Give you an up close and personal of the box. Yeah. You'll have to forgive the lighting and the sound on this particular video. I'm in the garage, and we're going to do the video on the car, so. But let's go ahead and unbox this thing. This is the Maxx Mount adjustable grip mounting system. This is for standard GPSs and large phones. They make a bunch of different versions of this. They make one for small phones. So you got to check out their website, and obviously all that information will be in the description below. Also, there will be a link for a discount code on this particular item. So make sure you use it if you want to go pick one of these up. But first, let's see if this thing is worth the hype. Oh my goodness. Let's unbox this joker. Here we go. It comes in a pretty cool hard plastic case. Box, case, whatever you want to call it. It comes in a nice little tray. I like that. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. This thing is pretty heavy. This thing has some weight to it. It has some weight to it. That tells me already this thing's going to be sturdy. And the cool thing about the way this is designed... Oh, wow. That's tight. Let's loosen this up a little bit. There we go. Okay. Swivels in any direction you want. But the cool thing about this thing, what I saw at the truck show, is they make it like idiot proof. And when you put your phone in here, these spring-loaded grips grip the phone and or the GPS or whatever you're trying to hold it with. And watch. So they're nice and tight. Let's go put it in the car and see what's up. Woo, it's hot down here in Oklahoma City, boy. Oh my goodness. But I got it in. Check it out. This thing is... I'll tell you what. This is probably one of the most sturdiest phone holders and compact phone holders that I've ever seen. Okay? Let me read the box here just to show you a little bit here. Let's see, this thing is designed to hold large size smartphones, and similarly, I can't talk today, sorry. Designed to hold large phones and large size GPSs, adjustable grips, obviously, multiple adjusting telescopic mount. I'll show you that here in a second. Designed and tested for Yo, I really can't talk today. Okay, here we go. Obviously make sure the windshield is clean before you put this thing on, and when I took the plastic off the suction cup, you could tell that the suction cup is made really well. And they say that these things are designed to last forever, and if they, for some reason, if they happen to dry out, you could put a little bit of water on it, and it's supposed to like bring it back to life. Okay, it's designed to stay to the windshield all the way down to -10 and up to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, That's what it was designed and tested at. Those are the, you know, the recommendations. Well, let's see here. Cautions to avoid damage. Yeah, dude, seriously, this thing's awesome. Let me show it to you now. Not for my jabbering and yabbering. So I got the iPhone 14 Max Pro, the big iPhone, and look at how compact this thing is, and beautifully, aesthetically, ergonomically on the windshield. Okay, now I want to show you this real quick. I have it set up like this. I don't know how you guys are going to do yours, but I have it set up like this with a little tab. This is the tab that you could adjust the length depending on what you're putting in here, and then the back of it is what slides in and out right here, and then obviously you could adjust it like that, and then you could swivel it. Let me loosen it up a little bit so I can show you. You could swivel it up and down, left and right, and then let me tighten it back up because I want to show you how sturdy this thing is. This thing is ridiculous. Everything is tight. Suction cup is on. Look at this thing. I'm like literally trying to break this thing. I mean, it's not going anywhere. And the cool part about it is with these little tabs here. Let me put the phone down, or the camera down for a second, because I know if I do this, I'm going to drop it. I don't want to drop the phone. Let me just set this. Oh no, that's not going to work. Let me put this up here. You gotta bear with me. You gotta bear with me, folks. You know how we get down on this channel. We kind of just do things on the fly. It's not a giant production like some other channels out there. We're not doing crazy productions. We're not going crazy today. We're just trying to show you the gadgets and how they work. All right, here we go. So the little tabs here are holding the phone, and I have this one up at the top, because if I flip it over the other way, if I go backwards with it, the buttons are getting hit. Like, let me just show you. You push these out like this and the phone comes out. So if I turn the thing upside down this way, whoops, I turn the whole thing. Go figure. Come on, stay. There we go. If I turn this upside down and do it this way, the tabs are hitting the power button on the phone. See? And that's not good either. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll just flip it over and do it that way. Plus it'll be easier to disconnect. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking the same thing I thought. You're thinking the same thing I thought. Well, if the tab is up here, what's going to hold the bottom of the phone from falling out and sliding out? And I was like, man, I hope this is going to work, because, you know, if I do it this way with the iPhone and the tab, you know, the thing isn't at the bottom, how's the phone going to stay in without sliding out and vibrating out? But, dude, look at this. I'm going to grab the bottom of the phone, okay? I tightened it back up, okay? It ain't going nowhere, right? So I'm going to try to slide the phone out of the bottom. It's not coming out. It's not sliding. I'm actually pulling the whole thing. It's not sliding. So that's amazing. That's freaking awesome. It's not going anywhere. It's not sliding. I'm literally pulling. I'm not even joking. I'm like literally trying to slide the phone out. But it's just the harder I pull on it, the tighter these things get. So, because they go like this. Look, watch. So the more I pull on it, the tighter it's grabbing it. So this thing ain't going nowhere. And you just loosen it up a little bit to get it exactly how you want it. Mine I want like this, I think. Let me see here. Let me double check. Yeah. So like that. Tighten it down. There we go. Come on. Stay. Tighten. Tight. Everything's tight. Look at this thing. Look, dude, look at this thing. This is a monster. This is a monster of a phone grip. This is insanity. And look at how easy it is to get out. And I'm reaching around the steering wheel right now because the camera's in the way. Look at this. Easy peasy. And it's not this big, bulky, giant monstrosity. But it's short. It's small. But yet very, very strong. And oh my goodness, this is awesome. That's amazing. Okay, I'm taking you off the steering wheel now because we got to talk about this thing. This thing right here, let me tell you what. The test will be while driving around with it and it's sitting in the sun, in the heat. So we will make another video following up this unboxing. But my first impressions are this thing right here is a beast, and you need to check it out. All the pertinent information will be below in the description box, okay? Along with the link for you to go and check out the stuff for yourself and a discount code so you can pick one of these up and save yourself some money. This is little guy for Maxx Mounts. Signing off. Yeah.